What's up guys, ZippyCool here, back with another 3D printing video. So, we're going to be talking about the basics of 3D printing. So, 3D printing. What is it? 3D printing is not like your normal inkjet printer. An inkjet printer lays down ink onto a piece of paper and you have text on it. But 3D printing isn't really like that. 3D printing uses this thing called filament, which is basically like a string of plastic, and it lays it down onto a bed, like on my 3D printer, and it lays it down layer by 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 layer until eventually you get something like this. Now this I modeled in a modeling software and then uploaded it to a software which makes a G-code, and then you put it onto an SD card, and then you put it in the printer, and then the printer understands that G-code and turns it into functions for the motor axes to move the printer. Now, 3D printing seems complicated, but it's actually not. If we take a good look at what 3D printing is, it's not too complicated. Here, I'll show you. So my 3D printer is printing something for my friend right now, and I thought it would be good if we went over the 3 different axes that a 3D printer uses, although there are 4 motors. So this is the first motor, and it moves the x-axis, and the x-axis moves the hot end from left to right. So here we have the X and Y axes motor, and it moves this belt, which moves the base plate forward and backward. And down here is your Z-axis motor, and it turns this large pole, and then there's this little nut that it moves. This is also the extruder motor, which forces the filament right down into this tube and out the hot end. And that's how a 3D printer works. Hope you guys enjoyed. Now, back to the video. Welcome back to the desk, and thank you guys for watching my videos. I just hope you like this 3D printing update, and just put a comment down below what you want me to do next. Don't forget to leave a like on the video. It really helps me, and it only takes a second out of your day, so please do that. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel with your notifications turned on. Thanks, talk to you later, bye. So guys, we're doing something new on the channel, and we're actually going to be doing giveaways of my 3D prints that I make. So this week's giveaways, we're going to be giving away some little boats, and you can choose any color that you want. Any of these colors you can choose from. Just leave a comment down below what color you want. Make sure you're subscribed, leave a like on the video, and turn notifications on. Thanks. Talk to you in the next video. Bye.